Dino's Workshop.
Hey up. I hope you can make this out, but if you have a look at the guttering on my conservatory, you can see how it's all turned white. Now this is brown guttering, all the way up, and even across the top. I don't know if you can make that out up there, but anyway, it's wherever the sun gets to it, and it ain't very good at all. So I don't know whether you know about this, but I'll show you a little trick to help try and restore it and bring it back to life. And anyway, let's do it, see how it goes. What I'm going to do is take this piece of guttering off here, and then I'm going to try and put the colour back into it. That's the guttering removed, and now I've got it here, stood up against my tree. So let's see if I can put some colour into it now. Now I'm going to use this blowtorch, the one I had off Timu. What you've got to be careful with is you don't leave it lingering too long. It's just a quick waft over. Otherwise you just end up burning it. It's not perfect, but I tell you what, it's a damn sight better than what it was when I first started out. So I imagine something like a heat gun would be better. You got less chance of burning, and you got to be careful because you can burn it very easily. I've done this in a couple of hours and caught the pipe a couple of times. But anyway, if anybody's lost all the colour and the guttering, this is how you can get it back. Worth giving a go, but if, like I say, if you can, try use a heat gun, not so much a blowtorch. Anyway, that's it. Just a final warning. Like I've already mentioned, if you can use a a heat gun, use a heat gun. And if you're using a blowtorch, just be very careful because it's very easy to burn the pipe. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. And see you soon.